Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G30 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries because this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to follow my steps and recreate them on your own browser. So as I said, let's open it, and now 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Here we have to tap on the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and if you want to, you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing data, tap on Clear Browsing Data at the top. And here we've got basic options, which includes browsing history, cookies, inside data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So I'll remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time. It's up to you. Then let's tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.